The PPR welding machine is a vital tool in modern plumbing and piping installations, specifically designed to create secure and leak-proof joints in polypropylene random copolymer (PPR) pipes. Its primary function is to weld or fuse plastic pipes and fittings together using heat, ensuring a permanent bond that can withstand both high pressure and temperature fluctuations. Widely used in domestic, commercial, and industrial water supply systems, this machine utilizes a process called socket fusion, where both the pipe and fitting are heated to the proper temperature and then joined to form a seamless connection. Built with durable heating elements, precise temperature controls, and ergonomic handles, PPR welding machines are engineered to simplify the joining process while maximizing the reliability of the final installation. Whether used on a small residential project or in a large-scale infrastructure system, these machines ensure consistent weld quality and efficient operation. The durability and ease of use of the PPR welding machine make it an indispensable companion for plumbers, contractors, and maintenance professionals. High-quality models are equipped with thermostatic controls, digital temperature displays, interchangeable heating sockets for various pipe sizes, and safety features to prevent overheating. The result is a tool that promotes faster workflows, reduced installation errors, and a longer service life of the piping system. In addition to water lines, PPR welding machines are also used in HVAC systems, compressed air networks, and even in chemical transport systems, thanks to the corrosion resistance of PPR material. With its combination of thermal precision, robust construction, and user-friendly design, the PPR welding machine has revolutionized the way plastic piping systems are installed and maintained, offering long-term performance with minimal maintenance requirements.